Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, where we hop around the world to discover smarter, easier, and more rewarding ways to travel and live abroad. Today we're heading to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, to explore 5 practical lessons that can save you money, reduce stress, and help you adjust faster to life in the Dominican Republic. Whether you're planning a vacation, considering a move, or already living here, these tips are worth adding to your travel toolkit. So let's hop right in. Tip number 3, drive defensively and respect the traffic flow. Driving in the Dominican Republic can be challenging, especially around buses, trucks, motorcycles, and scooters. Traffic can feel unpredictable, and larger vehicles may maneuver aggressively. The best approach is to stay calm, maintain awareness, and avoid competing with buses or trucks. If a large vehicle is trying to pass, it's usually safer to give it room rather than block its path. Proper insurance is also essential. Ask about coverage such as a Casa de Conductor policy, where available. This type of policy may provide support if you're involved in a serious accident while authorities investigate what happened. Coverage differs by location and provider, so, confirm the details before driving. Tip number 4. Use WhatsApp for everyday services. WhatsApp is one of the most useful tools in the Dominican Republic. Pharmacies, restaurants, markets, and other businesses often accept orders through WhatsApp. You may be able to send a photo of a prescription, order medicine, arrange food delivery, or request a business's exact location. Some places will even send a confirmation or delivery details directly through the app. Before your trip or move, save the WhatsApp numbers for nearby pharmacies, supermarkets, restaurants, your doctor, and your insurance provider. It's a simple way to make daily life more convenient. Tip number 5. Prepare for medical emergencies before they happen. Keep your health insurance card, policy information, and emergency contacts accessible on your phone. If you're unconscious or unable to explain your coverage, having this information available can help your family or medical providers act more quickly. It's also smart to keep digital copies of important documents, including your passport, while leaving the original passport secured at home when you don't need to carry it. Always follow local identification requirements, but avoiding unnecessary travel with your passport can reduce the risk of loss or damage. If you're planning to move abroad, research health insurance early, especially if you're approaching age 65, when some plans may have different eligibility rules or limitations. Those are 5 important lessons from living in Punta Cana. Choose pesos at checkout, understand restaurant charges, drive defensively, use WhatsApp, and prepare carefully for medical situations. Life abroad becomes easier when you learn the local ropes one hop at a time. Thanks for joining Traveling Kangaroo. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo, follow us on social media, and visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for more travel advice, destination guides, and practical tips for life abroad. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep hopping toward your next adventure with Traveling Kangaroo.